If you want to eject the SIM tray from Google Pixel 10a in order to insert your SIM card into that phone, then we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we can find the SIM tray over here. We need to use the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box of your Google Pixel 10a. And once you have the eject tool, we need to put it into this hole that we have in here. So just put it in, and then once the eject tool is in, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of force. There we go. And after that, we can just use our fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray completely from the device. Now, this is how the SIM tray looks like. So over here, we can read that, well, we have some information, which is just the SIM card slot, because on the reverse side, there is no information at all. So now we can insert our SIM card, and unfortunately we just have one physical SIM card slot. It should go in pretty easily. Of course, make sure that the SIM card does not stick out at all in order to avoid causing damage to the phone later on. And then we can slide it back into the phone, the SIM tray with our SIM card, just like that. Push it all the way in with your finger and make sure that the SIM tray doesn't stick out as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.